Today, we're going to have a look at the game-changing topic that will drastically boost your local business visibility, which is getting into the top 3 of the map pack on Google. In this video, I'm going to show you 3 simple tricks that will get you sitting pretty in the top 3 of the map pack, so that by the end of this video, you're going to be, well, in the top 3 of the map pack. If you don't know who I am or what we do, I'm Kurt from One Base Media, and we have helped hundreds of tradespeople get better quality leads, fill up their diary, and grow their business with more profitable jobs. These 3 simple hacks can make a monumental difference, and here they are. So the first step is making sure your business is correctly categorized. One of the main issues we see with the map listings is businesses listing in the wrong category, or they're not making full use of the amount of categories you can list your business in. You can actually add up to 10 categories, so you should make the most of this, as it's one of the top ranking factors in the map pack. Having the wrong category will have a huge impact on the amount of keywords you're getting found for. Another great reason to correctly categorize your business is that Google now suggests a ton of keywords within that category, which helps you get found for even more keywords. More keywords, more leads, more money. So how do you find the right categories for your business? Well, we do this in 2 parts. The first way is to just do a Google search for your main service. So let's say landscaping. Now click on all the map listings and scroll through and look through all the competing businesses and see what they've used to categorize their business. Now you want to use a tool called GMB Everywhere. Start by downloading the Google Chrome extension. I've put a link in the description to make it easy for you. Now, if you also click on the Find More button next to the category, and the tool will make a ton of suggestions on how to categorize your business. Now make a list of all the ones that directly relate to your services and start listing them on your GMB settings. Most categories have around 10 variations, so try and fill out all 10. Now, after 24 hours of them being approved, go to the Services tab in the GMB settings and start checking off keywords that you also do in your business. This also helps you get found for more keywords and you'll get more leads. Step 2, make sure your description has the right keywords. Having the right keywords in your company description will also increase the visibility and you'll get more views and calls. Go to your Google Keyword Planner, type in your main keyword like landscaper, and then set your location. Google will then show you all the keywords people are searching for in your local area. Now pick the ones relevant to your business and put them in your company description. It's important to make it look natural and not just spam it with keywords. People can tell it doesn't read right, just don't do it. A great way to do this is to go to our old pal ChatGPT and ask it to write you a 750-word business description and say to use the keywords. It will then write this out for you and you can edit it exactly how you want. The magic here is to sprinkle in relevant keywords. This will help Google understand your business services and connect you with local searches. Step 3, get more reviews than any of the other listings in the map pack. Do a Google search for your service in the local area, take a look who's at the top and how many reviews they have. Your goal is to now get far more reviews than all of the listings in the top 3. Simply asking your customers to leave reviews is usually not enough. So we found a great way to do this is by getting the short code Google provides. How do you do that? Well, you go to your settings and click on Ask for Reviews. This will then give you a code and a link to send out to your entire client base, asking them if they could leave a review and talk about their experience working with you. Set a goal to double any competitor in the map pack and you will eventually rank in the top 3. There you have it, the 3 main secrets to catapult your local business into the coveted top 3 of the map pack. Remember, these hacks are not a one-time deal. Consistency is key. Keep optimizing, keep updating, and watch your business soar in the local searches. Thanks for watching until the end. I hope you got a lot out of the video. So our goal here is to help you generate the best quality leads so you can fill out your diary with more customers and grow your business. And that's it from me. And by the way, if lead generation is a problem for you right now, then there's a link in the description that will help you. Don't feel obliged to click it. As long as you got value from this video, I'm happy. But the link is there if you need it. There's no pressure to buy anything or put in your email, so no relentless spam going to your inbox for months. It's just a helpful video that will solve your lead generation problem in under 3 minutes. I want to say a big thank you again for watching this video. If you want to see more like this, please like and subscribe and leave a comment in the comment section. We do read and respond to all the comments we get. Have a great day. I'll see you on the next one.